Happy Friday afternoon, everyone. Wrapping up the week. Busy week as usual. We got the Maverick finally done that we did a repower a few weeks ago. We were waiting on the platform to come in from powder coating. The guy that bought the motor swapped out his platform with this one, but had to get it powder coated. So we just got it back. So this one's all set, ready to go. I'm gonna call buddy Greg, tell him to come pick up his boat. I'm sure he's eager to get it back. Intrepid, still waiting on fuel pumps. Story of my life on that one. Got the new lobster slayer here. Get this little John boat running. Gonna be rigging out for mini season, go bully netting in it. It's gonna be a fun little boat. What else we got going on? We got a little whaler in for a repower. Got it in stock, waiting on funds to clear. We'll go pick up the motor, get that done next week. Had a 60 on it before, now we're putting a 70 Yamaha. Be a nice little rig. So new control harness, all that. Put a new tack in. Got this beautiful 35 contender in. We had this boat in about 2 years ago. Boat actually caught fire on the guy. He had 2 amps. One of them was a wet sound, and it caught fire. I don't know if it was the amp or it just didn't have a proper breaker. But he's still running. Everything looks good on it. Just in for service and a couple little items, you know, that happens. Blue boat in for electronics. Now it's in for a fuel tank. Decided to put a hole in it, so we're de-rigging the boat now. Let's see how far they got into it today. Batteries out, got all the fuel out. De-rigging the whole thing. Yeah, what's the drill in there? Unplugging it all. The next step is to undo the console, lift it out, and then our good buddy Jeff is going to be tearing into that one. Got this little bay boat in for service. Trim tabs aren't working correctly. And then also we're swapping out the leaning post to a smaller one so he has more room in the back. He's gonna gain like 18 inches with the Birds All Marine one we're gonna get for him. So he's excited about that. Blackfin is in for a repower. So stay tuned for that one. And our good buddy Jeff's here. Island Boat Works. Paint work on that one, and then a new fuel tank is getting glassed in that one now. Stay tuned. Have a good weekend.